Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dotted sonic sound wave effect that you see right here. I have two little examples. It's pretty easy. Okay, let's get started. I have an artboard here. It's about 2000 pixels long and we're going to begin by drawing our first line with the pen tool. We want no fill and a stroke or whatever color that you want. Here I'm going to be starting with the blue. So let's click kind of towards the middle and kind of make an undulatory effect. So I'm just clicking and holding shift like this, bring it down to here, and click shift, and so it kind of matches, and then I'll make a big arc to here, click, and kind of make a curve. It doesn't matter that much. Think here, that. And like that. It's not a great curve, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna select our line right here, and we're gonna go to the stroke. We're gonna give it a thickness of about, let's go 9 pixels, so it's a bit thicker right there. And to make it into a dotted line, all we do is we click on dashed line, and then you have to have a round cap. And to make it into small little circles, you want your dash to be 0. And your gap, let's say 20 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. Great. So now you have small circular dots and a gap of about 20 pixels along this entire line. So that works perfectly. Now we're going to draw our small little line. And the principle behind it is pretty simple. We're going to use the pencil tool, and the settings I have for the pencil tool are kind of in the middle right here. And width of about 6 pixels. We'll go okay. Let's start with that. And we're just kind of mirror this shape. But when this shape moves up like this, we're going to move down like that, and then we're going to cross and go down and cross like this. So it's always going to fade inwards from the shape. So let's start. We'll click somewhere right about here, and we'll curve it out. That. Let's go up to there. That, and this way we're going to go actually opposite to what I said. Like that and like that. Okay, now we're going to select our shape and we're going to give it a weight of about 1. Press OK. Now it's barely visible. We'll select both our shapes here and press Ctrl Alt B, and that's our blend tool. Then we'll go to Object, and then go to blend and go to blend options. And what we're going to choose here is actually specific steps. And you want to turn your preview, and we're going to choose about 10 steps. So that means it's going to make 10 of these objects between these two lines. If we go to preview, we start to see that shape right there. Now we can press OK. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw our nice yellow line right here. And again, we're going to use the pen tool, and you want it to mirror your shape that you have from the bright blue line, the big blue line. So let's start this. Click, and that. Now it's going to move up. That. Now there'll be quite a difference. This will accentuate the shape a bit to here. That, and then we're going to move it down like that. But actually I don't want that as strong. Let's move it kind of down like that. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust this a tiny bit by moving this bit to the side, moving that like that, making this a bit flatter, a bit curved like that. Let's try with that. Okay, now we're just going to give this a yellow color. Well, I was going to use the eyedropper tool, but I guess I could do it in here. By pressing that, we got a yellow color. And same deal, we're going to press N, and we're going to draw our small line. And the small line is going to be roughly at the same place where we have this line right here. So let's draw it. Again, it doesn't matter too much. It's going to cross, go down like that, and then it'll fade into here. We'll move up, fade into there, and then it'll fade into our shape right there. Okay, select our line, go to 1. Now we select both of our shapes, press Ctrl-Alt-B, it blends, go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, and we want specific steps, and switch this again to 10, press OK. Now to see our option, because we chose terrible colors, so I'm sorry for that, we're just going to create a black background like this, yay big, and don't want that, we want a black background, and we're going to send it to the back, and there we have our shape, just like that. And it's super easy to make. You can make it with any color that you like, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out our other videos, hit like, subscribe. Of course, if you have any questions, ask them below. If you have any tutorial requests, put them in the comments. And of course, as always, just have a great day.